Saba abantu b'Erukungiri muleete abaana mwongere okusomera ku ssomero. Tubasaba mwongere okusomesa abaana, mwongere okukola ennyo. Ekikulu kasita NRM ebeera mu buyinza mujja kwongera mukulaakulane n'obutaka bukuuke.
It would be very, very important for church and the religious institutions to look at ways they can sustain themselves without necessarily depending on donors. I have seen Church of Uganda going for church house, and that has been very good. I have seen the Catholic Church with Centenary Bank and the Mapera. That's very, very good. So if we can emulate this, then we are going to be having religious institutions that will be focusing on serving the community rather than the community serving religious institutions.
Entaasa ya dayosisi eyo yabadde eva ennyingi yabadde eva ebweru, obuyambi bwa Roma n'ebitongole bingi. Ebiseera bituuse nga kati n'osanga nteri obuyambo bungi gye bwabadde buva ne bukendeera.
We shall ensure that we join hands and make this fund a reality.